my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys another bomb wig. Today I am showing you guys Sunber hair. I love their yellow packaging, but just look how pretty this is. I know y'all like, girl, it's just packaging, but I really love great packaging, okay? And of course, great quality hair. So I'm showing you guys the hair right out of the box. This is what it will look like. When you open it up, you do receive, of course, the unit right on top. I received the HD wig cap, which I am already wearing. I received their band for the lace, okay? Received a comb for the baby hairs. Now let's get into the start of the show, the unit, okay? Oh my gosh, the lace right out of the box, y'all. Like, y'all see that? Already ready to wear, pre-cut lace. The knots are extremely small so that it gives a realistic scalp and hairline look. This is their water wave texture. Look how pretty that looks right out of the box, y'all. So pretty. So as you guys can see, it comes with pre-baby hairs too as well, pre-plucked. Like, wow, I don't have to do pretty much anything. This is going to be a very easy install, so we love that. Save me so much time, okay? 7x5 lace. Look how great that lace looks. So as you guys can see, I'm showing you guys skin to skin. It melts right on my skin. That looks so good. Like, I wouldn't have to put, I don't think I would have to put any like foundation or like lace tint to make it blend, because the looks of it, it looks like it's just gonna melt right on. So that's great. This is your band here that you can adjust to your liking. It is stretchy and comfortable to fit. You have your adjustable straps in the back, and then you also have this elastic drawstring, which is going to give you double security. Like, y'all, this is amazing. I'm going to show you guys how to use this and more about it in the video, but yes, y'all, you have a lot of security with this unit. Try it on. Oh my gosh, this hair looks great right out of the box. Like, do you guys see how good that looks? That is no glue, by the way. No glue. Baby hairs done for you. The knots are bleached for you already. This is amazing. I don't even know what else to say. I don't even know what else to do because the hair is already pretty much done. Like, wow. They do give you these Byebyeknots lace tapes, which I'm still trying to figure out how to use, but I do feel like they are beneficial for glueless wigs because you don't need glue. So if you just want something to help it from not slipping, I feel like lace tape will definitely be a lifesaver for that. Other than that, y'all, this hair is already pretty much done for me. Like, wow, that looks amazing. Like, wow. I'm gonna show you guys the back before I do anything else like touches to it. Back of the unit has that elastic drawstring, which is going to give you that double security, like I was saying. I do see that the ears are comfortable to fit on both sides. As you guys can see, we love that. We love that. Okay, we love that. So we don't have to worry about any type of uncomfortableness on your ear, because y'all know some wigs, not this one though, can be uncomfortable where it's like not fitting, or it's just not properly fitting, and so that it's uncomfortable and your ear doesn't have a place to come out. So we love that. In the back here we have this elastic drawstring. All you have to do is pull, and when you pull, you're gonna feel it kind of like tightening up a little bit, which is good because it's gripping everything together. Your hair is not going to slip or move. I'm gonna go ahead and just tuck the string. That's all you have to do, is just tuck it under. So once that is tucked in, you're gonna feel how secure the wig feels. You're gonna feel how secure it is, like it's not going nowhere. And then also, I like this because it is great for updos. If you want to wear a ponytail, you can, and you have no lace or like nothing showing in the back. I know sometimes with wigs it can be, some wigs can come too big for your head, so it can be very open in the back. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. We have all experienced a wig like that before once, where the wig is literally showing, it's showing the tracks and all, so you don't have to worry about that. Everything is neat and put together, so if you do want to wear your hair up in a ponytail, you can. Okay, all you gotta do is of course brush the back of your hair up there, but other than that, it's super neat and nothing is showing, so I like that a lot. And the wig is not going nowhere. As you can see, it's not going anywhere, it's not budging, it's not gonna slip. You have the elastic drawstring, you have the band in the lace, and you have your adjustable strap, so it's not going nowhere. And the fact that you don't need any glue, like look how great that is laid down, like that is flat, it's not bulky anywhere, like literally no glue, none. You don't need none. So I do have a little bit of mousse that I want to put on the hair so you guys can see that this unit can take product, and I'm going to use a little bit of water. I have my edge control so that I can just make sure that we keep the edges, the baby hairs intact. I love how it looks. I'm just going to put a little bit of baby hairs, I'm going to put a little bit of edge control on top of that. My water bottle broke, so I'm going to be using my hands back and forth to the sink since it's right here in front of me, and just put the water through the hair, and I'm using just a little bit of mousse, okay? So y'all, look how good this hair looks. I wetted just a little bit, not too much because I didn't want it to be too wet, but I did want to show you guys that you can use water with this hair, a little bit of mousse, or if you have like some type of curling product for curly hair, that would be great. You can use it on this hair. I definitely feel like it intensifies and definitely bring out the texture even more. The hair is absolutely soft. I have no problems with it while I'm brushing and combing and things like that. I'm not receiving any type of crazy shedding or like matteness to the hair. Like it's literally very, very smooth all the way through, no problem. This side is basically no product, and this is, I guess this is what it looks like when it dries. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side and then come back, but either way it's still beautiful. I'm going to do this side, touch up the baby hairs with the edge control, and then come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Looks really, really good now that I did both sides. It's so pretty, y'all. Very lightweight. It's giving me like vacation ready, summer ready. Like I love that this took less effort, less time to do, because baby, we all know how much doing your hair takes, like the time that it takes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my edge control. Okay, y'all, so I love this unit. It's super lightweight. Like I said, everything is pretty much pre-done for you. There's not much for me to say, but that this wig is great quality. The design of it is very thought out. It feels like very luxury, great quality, and we love that. And I know the summer is coming up, so I feel like this is perfect. You don't have to worry about putting any heat to your hair, curling it, flat ironing it, or even just wearing any glue, because y'all know summertime, it be very, very hot. It's getting hotter outside, and we just don't really got time for the glue. It can be so messy and so annoying. This type of wig here just give you the space to take off your wig and be more relaxed at night, throw it back on when you wake up, and you're good to go. Everything is already done for you. I do like how much parting space you get. So this is a 7x5, and here that's where the lace basically stops. You can still wear this unit in a side part, so if I was to part it, to the side you can, so wherever you part you don't have to worry about plucking. Look how good that looks. The lace just giving scalp, is giving skin, realistic hairline and all. So if you wanted to part this on the side, you can. You don't have to keep it in the middle. I know it comes in the middle, but you can definitely part it on the side, and you definitely have a way more than enough space of lace to do that. I like the fact that you do have a long space to part, so that it makes it look even more natural. It's not short in space. The space goes far back, so that's a great thing too as well. So I'm about to go to the pool and take some pictures. I cannot wait. I feel like this hair is perfect for the pool. The texture is just perfect for the water. So yes y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. The full description will be listed, and all of the details as far as the wig I'm wearing will be listed too as well. So make sure you guys click that link in the bio and let me know your thoughts, because this hair is giving. Like, do you see it? I know you do. So go ahead, click the link in bio, and I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.